Hello, how are you doing? Mechanical Diploma Engineering, frequently asked question. The question goes like this: I finished my 3 year engineering, diploma engineering in mechanical. It's been a year, and I do have a great score, like a distinction grade, but I don't have a job. It's been a year, so let's explore further into this. Um, I'm discussing here three options to improve your employability. Option one: just having your 3 year regular diploma won't help you to get a job. You need to align with what the industry wants. The industry is seriously looking for following skill set. There are not sufficient candidates out there with this skill set. These are value-added courses. Okay, it can take you 8 months to 12 months, but it seriously improves significantly your employability. Okay, um, so you must consider and complete one of these courses. We will discuss this further, but HACC is hydraulics based course. X-ray welding is widely used in major industries. These are high quality welding. Okay, precision welding. Underwater welding is also widely used in major industries like undersea, oil, etc. Ship. This is a niche skill, special skill. Piping course is all about piping, design, and all that stuff. And safety engineering, as the word shows, is the safety in a given company or organization in all aspects to run the company without major disaster. Now, when it comes to choosing your training institute, if you live in the south part of the country, make sure you choose one of these cities, major cities, because this is where they will guarantee you job, campus placement. It's going to cost you a little more than average, but after the course of 8 months to 12 months, you have a job. Okay. Whereas if you complete these certificates in other cities of the south part of the country, you will get the certificate, but there's no job guaranteed, or you don't have a job at the end of the course. Okay, now let's discuss about option two. What if you don't want to do this? Which is then what you could do is, if you live in south part of the country, Technopark Hosur in Tamil Nadu is one of the major technopark. So you must visit that website, find out the major companies of interest, and register your resume in their website. If you live in the other parts of the country like north, east, or west, there are major technoparks in each region. Um, it could be Gujarat, Gurgaon, or in the eastern part, maybe Kolkata, I guess. So find out and do the same thing. So that way, the other companies will come to know you, and they may offer you freshers job or apprenticeship. And option three is not just Technopar, you can also do this for automobile companies, MNCs. They are large in numbers in Chennai and Mumbai. If you look at the south part of the nation, and you must apply for 1 year apprenticeship program. So these three options will take you to the next level significantly, where you can find a job. Okay. Now I would like to discuss further on these five topics. I'm giving you additional information what these courses are and who are the well-known training institutes. Okay, so that you don't have to further Google. I done the research for you. So when we discuss additional information, I will not read one by one. These are self-read, self-help material. You can pause the video and read it at your convenience. Okay. So HSCC, like we just talked about, these are hydraulics and pneumatics industrial automation course. Okay, and these are the course benefits. I encourage you to read it at your convenience by pausing the video. It talks about the fundamentals you learn during this course, and it talks about how this skill set improves significantly the efficiency of the system. It talks about the safety involved, and when you look at the versatility, once you have this skill set, you are needed. The skill set is widely used in major industries like manufacturing, construction, and transportation. Okay, so that means you can apply all in all these industries. And this talks about career opportunities. Okay, now if you see the courses, HSCC courses in Chennai, for example, these are the well-known institutes. So wherever you live, you can do a search and find out. And this I listed here four of them. Okay, technocrat to all the way program. Now here is the important checklist you must run through before you selecting an institute. Okay, all these are very important checklist. Now let's look at X-ray welding. So X-ray welding, just I told you, these are precision welding. Okay, and they have high quality welding. Now, if there are in industries, they use this X-ray welding because if you don't use precision welding, there could be serious consequences of equipment failure. Okay, so for them, X-ray welding is a it's not a choice; it's a must. Now, in this course, they teach you more practically, of course, about high precision and accurate welding. Okay, so welding defects and the overall quality of the weld are focused here. Now, when it comes to safety, these are dangerous tasks. As you know, X-ray itself, the ray itself is dangerous, so you need to have proper safety procedures, protocols to make sure there is no accident. Um, of course, X-ray welding significantly improves your employability. Your earning potential also is threefold increased. Now let's look at the industries that use X-ray welding. Right from aerospace all the way to shipbuilding, you can easily see here six major industries are very much in need of X-ray welding professionals. Okay, I take time to read all these things. You will be very much motivated and convinced why this skill set is so important. Now, if you look at the training institute, for example, in Hyderabad, they teach you X-ray welding along with non-destructive testing technology. Okay, so Trinity is there, Advanced Welding Institute is there, Welding Research Institute is there, all that. Um, this is a recommended checklist. So, like Hyderabad, you will be able to find out premier institutes in other cities that I mentioned, like Mumbai, Goa, Chennai, Pune, etc. Those are the south major cities. You should be able to find similar in other parts of the country. Now, underwater welding. Um, as the word shows, this is a niche skill. Um, You are very much needed in marine construction, offshore oil and gas companies and industries, and underwater repair and maintenance. Okay, again, this is niche skill, special skill, also a hazardous job, so high risk job. So will be paid accordingly. Okay, and the number of professionals available are limited. So getting trained here improves your not just the earning, your employability also significantly improved. Okay, look at here. Your pay scale is very high. Okay. Um, all these courses we are talking here gives you a strong certification. Okay, so you are becoming a special professional in the market, job market. If you look at the training institute in Mumbai, we got Indian Institute of Welding, the Dive India Institute, the Institute of Welding and NDT, and yes, now recommended checklist to choose the institute. Now there's this next is piping course. Here it's about everything about piping, the design, engineering, installation, everything. Okay. Can you imagine a country without pipe? Pipe is everywhere. Now the course teaches you following aspects and how it improves your career are discussed here. Industries like oil and gas, power, chemical, and so many, they all need these professionals. Um, this is how your employability significantly improves. Your earning potential, um, professional recognition, yes, they give you certificates and you will become a professional in that piping engineering. The well-known institute that offer courses in Chennai, I got here four of them. Smart Brains all the way to MIT Skills. Now these are the checklist to choose the institute. The last one I guess is safety engineering. This is what it teaches you. By the end of the course, you will be able to plan the safety engineering for a company, the procedures. You will be able to find out the hazards in a company and find out the solution, which is to mitigate the hazards. Of course, every organization or company of needs these days safety engineers. For some of the companies, it's a legal requirement. So this area of safety engineering is a growing field. Job performance, career advancement. You can start with the engineer. You go to the safety manager and safety director. All that requires you proper training and certification. So it has a clear career growth. Now in Mumbai, if you take for example, all this following well-known institute teaches you safety engineering. The National Safety Council, Yash, Maharashtra Open University has courses. Institute of Industry Safety Professional Institute, Greenworld Group, IIT Bombay. Great. So we are done here. So we seen a candidate, a student who has done a mechanical diploma. He has done a pretty. He is academically strong, but he has no job. And we have seen a significant way to get a job, right? We've seen so many options here, and we've seen all these great courses here, which not just get you a job, it makes you so valuable, and your earning could unbelievably increased to three or four folds. Okay, so with that, we are done here. Let's go to the okay. So we done here. Disclaimer and all the best.